Tshabangu blocked from Masvingo by-election as CCC leadership crisis deepens. The 16th of August 2025, Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, Secretary General, Senator Sengizo Tshabangu, has failed to put forward a candidate for the upcoming Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, a development that has heightened debate over the opposition party's internal divisions. The by-election, set for the 13th of September 2025, was triggered by the death of CCC Councillor Tafara Masimba in July. When the nomination court convened at the Civic Center on Thursday, 5 candidates successfully submitted their papers. None of them, however, represented CCC under Tshabangu's leadership. Those cleared to contest are Struggle Desire Nyahunda, Independent; Prosper Tiringindi, Independent; Sungai Mandati, Independent and widow of the late Councillor Masimba; Simbarash Shanhiwa, ZANU-PF, and Prosper Matarus, MDCT. The development follows Tshabangu's controversial takeover of CCC leadership, which led to the resignation of the party's founder, Advocate NELSONCHAMISA, who cited state infiltration and interference as reasons for his departure. Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC. Officials have appealed for calm during the campaign season, urging all candidates and supporters to shun violence and respect electoral guidelines. Shun violence, we want a peaceful election, ZEC officials said, adding that any suspicious activities should be reported to ensure a free and fair process. Campaigning is expected to intensify in the coming weeks as the 5 candidates court the support of Masvingo Urban Ward 7 voters.